Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that the light linking, cyclic light linking in Blender, and how we can link cyclic link light in Blender. For that, you enter into the Blender Builder Blender org website, and from here the branch you can download the Blender 3.60 cyclic light linking. So how we can link the light to the objects? So let's start. Open the downloaded Blender, and for that I select all and delete everything and press Shift A to add a cube, and also press Shift A to add a UV sphere and move it along x-axis, and press Shift A to add a something like cone and also move it along x-axis. Beautiful. Now I add two lights. Press Shift A to add a light like sunlight and move it something like here and rotate it, and press Shift D to duplicate and also rotate it something like here. Nice. Now enter into the shading viewport, and here I assign some color to this light, like this light has a green color, and rename it as green, and this color light has a blue color, and also rename this light as blue. Beautiful. Now you can see the default Blender lighting. This light is affected to all these three objects, and also this light also affected to these three objects. And by using light linking, we can link this light to this object, also this and this, and it has no effect on the other object. For that, I enter into the cyclic viewport, and here I select GPU compute. Nice. And now I enter into the object data properties. Here we have a option shading, and here is the option of light linking, and we can make the collections for the light linking. For that, I select sphere, cube, and cone, and move into the scene collection. And now I create two collection, and new collection. Now I create two collection, new collection one, and rename it is blue, and create another collection and rename it as green collection. And now I move these three objects into these two collection. So select these three objects and move into the collection something into the green collection, and I also move these three objects into the blue collection. For that, move these into the blue collection and press Ctrl and drag to the blue collection. Now we have a 3 object in blue collection and also these 3 object linked in green collection. And now I enter into the object data properties. From here I select any one of the object, any one of the collection. Like I select blue collection and here you can see these 2 cars having option, and now I want blue light. This is the green light and this is the blue light, and now I want these blue light is only affect this cube and not affect to this cone and sphere. For that I select the blue and here I include this cube into this light and exclude both these 2 objects, cone and sphere. So for that, here are the option light state, light receiving state of the object or a collection. If you click and you can exclude this. Nice. Now the blue light is only affect these 2 objects and have no influence on this cone. And if I select this sphere and exclude it, and exclude, then you can see that the green light is only affect this cone and have no effect on this cube and this sphere. And if I change this collection something green collection, and you can see the effect, and I include this cone to the green, and here you can see that the cone has the effect of both these 2 lights, and the cube and sphere has only green effect. And if I include this cube, then you can see that the cube has effect of both these 2 light. So in this way you can easily link light to the specific object by using Blender 3 Alpha Launcher series. By Thanks for watching.